Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tandokazi Dese and this is TK's Financial Corner, where we discuss absolutely everything finance. So if it's your first time, thank you for coming through. Please do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you do not miss out when I upload that video. If you are a returner, thank you so much for your support and always staying tuned with me. I really appreciate that. So on today's video, it's going to be a quick one. I just want to talk about the difference between a retail value as well as a market value when you are insuring your car. I posted a short video on TikTok and people requested that I do a full video explaining the difference between the two, products. So let's start off with your retail value. So firstly, what is a retail value? So a retail value is what the garage or the car dealership is willing to sell the car with. Okay, the price that they are willing to charge when they are selling that car to you, whether it's a brand new car, it's a used car. Okay, that's the price that they will decide on. We call that a retail value. All right, so what happens when you purchase your new car from the dealer, or a used car, whether it was a demo or whatever the story might be? But as long as that car is financed, especially when your car is financed, they will never allow you to leave the car dealer without that car being financed. Because remember, that is not your money that you have paid that car with. It's a bank's money. You have been borrowed that money. So they need some sense of surety in case something happens to this car as you are leaving the car dealer, then their money will be paid. Hence, you need to have a full comprehensive insurance before you leave that car dealership with that car. I know that we get so excited, you want to take the car and leave the premises, and you get to choose an insurance and you sign up, you're just saying yes to everything. But on this video, I specifically want to make you understand what does it mean when your car is insured with its retail value. So let's make a practical example. So let's say your car is worth 200,000 rand and you have insured your car with its retail value. So your car will remain to be worth that amount of money even after you have left the dealership, even after 2 years of being insured, or after 3 years of being insured with that car. Come a day whereby your car gets into an accident and you claim for that car, you will be paid out what your car was insured with, which is 200,000 rands. If you're still paying the bank, then you have two options. It's either you make money or you lose money, because if they pay you out the 200,000 rands that your car is insured with under the retail value, and you're still owing less, obviously as the time goes by, you will owe the bank less money. So the insurance will pay what you owe the bank. Let's say you're still owing the bank 100,000 rands already. By that now you've paid some of this money, so you will get the difference. And then it can be a good start for you to try and look for another car, whether you're going to be purchasing that car cash or you will use that as a deposit towards a new car. Option number 2, it's the market value of your car. So the market value of your car is what your car is worth today. Remember that a car is a depreciating liability. Once you left that car dealership, your car starts to depreciate. So with the market value, that's what it means when your car is insured with its market value. So after 2 years of driving that car and something happens, that car is written off for whatever valid reason, by your insurer, then they will pay the bank or the lender that has borrowed you the money what that car is currently worth on the day of the incident. So let's say here your car at the current day of the incident, you bought it with 200,000, and after 2 years or 3 years, your car is worth 100,000 rands. I'm just making an example. So on the day of the incident, the insurer will pay the bank 100,000 rands. Now, you might be in two positions again here. It might happen that you are still owing the bank more or you are still owing the bank less. So if you are owing the bank less, that's good for you. They will pay and they will settle the amount. But if your debt is still high, you are still owing the bank, then they will pay what your car is worth, which is 100,000. And if you are still owing 150,000 rands, then unfortunately you will have to pay the difference, which is 50,000 rands. Now it leads us to a third product, which is they call shortfall cover. So if you did not sign up for a shortfall cover, then you will have to make ways and arrange with the bank how you're going to pay for that money. But if you have signed up for a shortfall cover when you were taking up, signing up for your new car, then your shortfall cover will kick in and pay off that difference of 50,000 rands. Okay, so these are the things that we need to note. Is your car insured under its retail value or market value? And in both situations, if you happen to have to submit a valid claim, do you have a shortfall cover to pay for the shortfall that might happen in a case of an incident? So I think when you are requesting for a quotation for that car, make sure that you get a quotation that reflects both these. Make sure that you get a quotation that reflects both these amounts, the market value versus the retail value, so that you can see which one. But in most cases, the market value is cheaper than the retail value in terms of the premiums when you are paying for your premiums. But it's absolutely up to you which one are you comfortable with and what do you want to do. As I always say, this is not financial advice. If you are looking for financial advice, you definitely need to speak to someone who is certified. But I am just doing these videos for educational purposes. I'm sorry guys, I've got no makeup, I've got nothing. This was a quick one and I've got time just before I have my next personal finance session with my client. So I quickly had to drop this one because after the session, my day is just booked with other things. So I honestly had to quickly drop this one. I'm very sorry if it's not that professional or the standard is just not up to, scratch. But thank you so much, guys. Do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like the video, and comment below if you have any question or any clarity that you would like to know. Thank you so much, guys, for always supporting me. Goodbye for now.